Howdy, y'all. Just cleaning up my pistols after yesterday's match. 30 rounds with APP powder. Come on, focus. Now, that's not using any lubes. That's just APP powder and powder coated bullets. It looks nasty. But really, it cleans up super quick. And all I use using is some Blistol water mix 10-to-1. Get all that cleaned up good, and then I wipe everything down with mineral oil. Just plain old mineral oil. But yeah, stuff works. I mean, I ran the whole match. Didn't have to clean nothing. Didn't have to re-lube anything. Just load and shoot. Thanks for watching.